understand the emotional turmoil you put people through. Happy Sunday, guys. So this is my first Sunday going to church since I've been here. We have actually been trying to look for a good church that we would be able to go to. We made our research, we went online. So this is the first redeemed church here in Minnesota that we're going to go to, and then we'll see how it goes. If we don't like that church, then maybe next week Sunday we'll try another church until we find a church that we are very comfortable with and spiritually connected to, and then we'll see. So I'll be taking you guys with me to church today. Let's see how it goes. All right, bye for now. So guys, I'm just trying to get myself ready. Almost 8 p.m. my time, and hubby is just gonna pick me up so we can go get something to eat. We like to eat out at least twice a week, just go out date night. But today I'm not feeling too good. I'm not uh really down for date night today, so he's just gonna pick me up real quick and we go get something to eat. I'm thinking Chipotle's. We'll get something to eat and bring it back home and just eat at home, just have dinner at home. I wasn't feeling good today, so I didn't feel like cooking anything at all. The only thing I cooked was breakfast, and I'm not really a breakfast person, so it was more for hobby basically, and then I'm good to go. Honestly. I'm really not in the mood at all. I'm not in the mood today at all. So it won't be too much dressing up to do. It'll just be very simple in and out, and we're good to go. Very simple in and out, and we're good to go. Yeah. That's basically it. I'll take you guys with me to the restaurant, but today I just want something snacky. I just want Chipotle, honestly, and that's basically all I want to eat today. I skipped lunch, so allowed. Allowed. Now fat. I did not kill anybody. Hmm. We'll be almost here. So I'm ready. Honestly. I'm ready. Just um wear my shoes. Hmm. Just wear my shoes and that's I don't want I don't want to be too dressed. Yeah, just simple dash in and dash out. This is not date night, so there's no point dressing up, doing makeup or any of that. Just pack my hair and off we go. Man, I washed these shoes in the washer, and then somehow I think the clothes that went in before the wash before my shoes was, I think, the white sets, and I had to put bleach in the washer to wash those whites. And then when my shoes went in, it bleached my shoes a little bit. Like I can see just like spots of bleached parts of the black in my canvas. Uh, like there, just here. Well, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. All right. All set. All set. Please and please, I beg you in the name of God. Like, if you do not want me to block you, yeah, respect yourself and do not be asking me stupid questions. I did not come to this world for you. I did not come to life for you to be monitoring my womb and asking me stupid questions. Are you pregnant? I swear to God, if you ask me that question, if anybody asks me that question again, wallah, I will block you. I will block you, and I will not even feel an iota of guilt doing that. You did not create my uterus. Why are you monitoring it? What is your business? If I have not shared with you if I'm pregnant or not, why are you asking me stupid questions? Kilo day. He was like, oh, by now, you're supposed to have had 5 children, supposed to have 3 children. What is your problem? If I have those children, am I going to give them to you to take care of? Do you know if I'm ready to have kids? If I've said, oh, I'm ready. So if I pop them out, do I give them to you to take care of them? Are you physically and financially capable of doing that? Why on earth would you think you can ask me that question? Like, who gave you the right? The worst part is, we're not close friends like that. All of you asking me these stupid questions. We're not friends enough for me to even share it with you if I wanted to. Couldn't they ask me stupid question? Like, oh yeah, I'm supposed to answer. Yes, I'm pregnant. Like, you are who? As what? Many of you don't even understand the emotional turmoil you put people through, or you put couples through, asking them ridiculous questions like that. Sometimes you should just go and sit down, use your brain. Like, apply it. Think.
Have I come to ask you that kind of question before? Have I? Use your brain. Use your brain. Use your brain. But all you uncles and aunties. I want mini. I want mini you and then. Have you finished taking care of your own mini? Are they properly taken care of? If I start asking you now why your mini looks like a malnourished child now, you say I'm wicked or I have bad mouth. But it's very easy for you to open your stupid mouth to be asking me a stupid question. Please don't get me angry.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
The weather is getting better. Fiona, I'll see you and your prayers and your wish of it snowing again, because it is happening already. I see you. Hey, Jesus, oh, God really entered my lungs.
say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to.